Hi, and welcome to this new PlayEarnGame tutorial. Today we are going to discover how to connect your Metamask wallet to PlayEarnGame website
and use it to stake PEG and claim the stake rewards.
First of all, you have to install Metamask wallet on your browser. To do that, go to metamask.io and click download. Now click install Metamask for Chrome and you will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store.
Here click on install to get your Metamask wallet extension. Once you download the Metamask wallet extension, you will have to do the setup process. If you already have a wallet, click on import wallet to import it. If you have not, click on create a wallet. Now click on agree to accept the Metamask terms and conditions. In the end, create a new password for your Metamask wallet.
Once you create the wallet, you will have your Metamask icon on the top right corner of the screen.
Now on the PlayEarnGame website, click on Connect Wallet here or here to link your Metamask wallet account.
Now select your account, you will have just one. Go on, connect, and your account is successfully connected with the PlayEarnGame website. Here you can add PEG to your account. You can see them with the logo and the title and your balance on Metamask. Then you can stake your PEG. You have to stake a minimum of 5,000 PEG. You can click stake and here you can start staking them. Confirm. The transaction has been confirmed, and as you can see, you have your staked PEG and the PEG you earn by staking. After 24 hours, you will be able to claim the PEG. Now you are not able to do it, and you are not able to unstake them too until 24 hours. If in your wallet there are some old contact PEG, you can swap them here, clicking on the swap function. In my case, I can't do it because I already swapped them, but you will be able to do it. From here you can also withdraw your PEG by clicking on the withdraw button. You will be redirected to the withdraw form. Here in the withdraw page you can ask to withdraw your PEG. You have to paste your wallet address where you want the PEG to go to, and you can add some notes to let us know something more.
You must have at least 1000 PEG as play to earn and referral rewards on your PlayEarnGame.com account to ask for the withdrawal.
You can find your wallet account here on Metamask. Just click here and you can copy it and paste it.
And with this we finished with the tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to YouTube channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Bye!